स्टैंडर्ड 7 सब्जेक्ट सोशल साइंस है। चैप्टर 5 है लोकेशन एंड टाइम। आज मैं इसके रीजन्स करवाऊँगी। ये आपका रिवीजन चैप्टर है और लास्ट चैप्टर रिवीजन का, ठीक है। डिफरेंट प्लेसेस ऑन द अर्थ हैव डिफरेंट टाइम अकॉर्डिंग टू द लॉन्गिट्यूड्स। आंसर आएगा द टाइम ऑफ एनी प्लेस इज डिसाइड बाय द पोजिशन ऑफ द सन। टाइम ऑफ डिफरेंट प्लेसेस इज कैलकुलेटेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द longitudes. The earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. वन रोटेशन करने में कितना टाइम लगता है? 24 आवर्स लगता है। देयर आर अ टोटल 360 longitude. So 15 longitude pass by the sun in 1 hour. So every longitude takes 4 minutes to pass by the sun. There is a difference of 4 minutes between two successive longitudes. This way, different places on the earth have different time according to their longitudes. Next, number 2, time of the places in the east is ahead than of the places in the west. The earth moves from west to east on its axis, so the places in the east come before the sun earlier and the places in the west come before the sun afterwards. So the time of the places in the east is ahead than the places in the west. Next, number 3, as per the longitude it is not known time similarly over Ahmedabad and New Delhi. Ahmedabad is on 73 Celsius east longitude. Delhi is on 77 east longitude. Difference between the longitudes 77 minus and equal to 4 longitudes. One longitude difference of 4 minutes. 4 longitudes, 4 multiplied 4 is equal to 60 minutes difference. Thus there is a difference of 60 minutes in their local times. Delhi is in the east of Ahmedabad, so the Delhi time is ahead by 60 minutes. When it is 12 noon is Ahmedabad, I would be 12:16 in Delhi. So it is not noon time similarly over Ahmedabad and Delhi as per the longitudes. Next, in briefly answer है, through which countries does the 0 Celsius latitude pass? The 0 latitude passes through Singapore, Colombia, Congo, Uganda, Kenya, or Malaysia, etc. Number 2, through which countries do the 23.5 north latitude and 3.5 Celsius latitudes pass. The 23.5 north latitudes passes through Mexico, Algeria, Libya, Egypt, India, Myanmar, China, etc. The 23.5 south latitude passes through China, Brazil, Paraguay, Namibia, Australia, Mozambique, Botswana, etc. Number 3, names of few countries are given below. In which direction from 0 latitude are they situated? Find out with the help of an atlas and the globe. Okay. Egypt, Russia, Canada. Kenya, north direction. Mongolia, north direction. Chile, north. South. Canada, north. South Africa, south. Egypt, north. And Russia, north. Next, through which country does the 0 Celsius longitudes pass in the world map? The 0 longitudes pass through Greenwich in London in England. Next, 5, with the help of the map, find out the country with and in the west of 0 Celsius longitudes. Answer on the basis of the 0 longitudes. Some countries are given in the table. Countries in the east, countries in the west. Countries in the east: India, Iran, Pakistan, China, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Afghanistan, Germany, Poland, etc. West countries: Canada, America, Argentina, Mexico, Venezuela, Brazil, Colombia. अभी नेक्स्ट है 1-2 सेंटेंस क्वेश्चन आंसर. What is a latitude? The imaginary horizontal lines drawn on the globe are called latitudes. Number two, what is meant by northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere? Answer: the 0 Celsius latitude is equator. The upper half from this is northern hemisphere and the lower half is southern hemisphere. Which country are in northern hemisphere? India, China, Pakistan, etc. Some of the countries in northern hemisphere. Next, which countries are in southern hemisphere? Australia, New Zealand, Peru, South Africa, Argentina, etc. Some of the countries in southern hemisphere. Next, question 5. Between which latitude is India located? India is located between 8 Celsius north to 37 Celsius north latitude. Next, question 6. What is a longitude? The major vertical lines drawn on the globe are called longitudes. 0 Celsius longitude passes through where? The 0 Celsius longitude passes through Greenwich in London in England. What is international data line? The 180 Celsius longitude is not international data line. What is called Eastern Hemisphere? The area in the right of 0 Celsius Greenwich line up to 180 Celsius longitude is called Eastern Hemisphere. Next question 10 है, what is called Western Hemisphere? The area to the left of 0 Celsius Greenwich line up to 180 Celsius longitude is called Western Hemisphere. Next question number 11. India is situated between which longitude? India is situated in the Eastern Hemisphere between 68 Celsius east longitude to 97 east longitude. 12. What is called standard time? The local time of central place of the nation is considered to be the standard time for the entire nation. In other words, the time for the entire nation is decided from the time of that place, and that is called the standard time of the nation. Next, 13. How many major longitudes are there? Which are they? There are two major longitudes. There are Greenwich line and International line. Next, what can be known with the help of the longitudes? Two things can be known with the help of the longitude: east-west location and local and standard time of any place. Write difference between latitude and longitudes. अभी latitude का first point है, the imaginary horizontal lines drawn on the globe are called latitudes. Longitudes का first point है, the imaginary vertical lines drawn on the globe are called longitudes. Number 2 point है latitude का, there are a total of 181 latitudes. Longitudes, there are a total of 360 longitudes. अभी नेक्स्ट में द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ लोकल टाइम एंड स्टैंडर्ड टाइम. अभी लोकल टाइम का फर्स्ट पॉइंट आएगा. नंबर 1, when a longitude comes in front of the sun, it is considered to be the 12 o'clock or noon of all places on that longitude. The time calculated according to the noon is called the local time for all places on that longitude. Standard time, local time of a centrally located place of a country, is considered to be the standard time of that country. When the time for the entire country is considered by any one longitude, it is called the standard time. Number 2, local time of any place is calculated from its longitude. Local time of many places in the same country is different. Number 2 point, standard time का, Indian standard time is decided from the 82.5 east longitude, which passes by the city of Allahabad. When it is 12 noon in Allahabad, it is considered to be 12 noon फॉर द सेंटर एंटायर कंट्री। ये आपके मेथड फॉलोइंग हो गए। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसके फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स आपको करना होंगे। थैंक यू।